They say that the market is dead. I say otherwise. So yeah, man, let's just see. Okay, I think everything is fine. Yeah, we're just gonna check the discords. Nothing much going on, honestly. See, bro, every time it's an holiday, there's a lot. Oh, bank holiday. The market is not gonna move. Bro, these times are when the market actually makes some crazy moves, you know? And then these same guys are gonna say they missed their trade because of XYZ. Like, just stop finding excuses, bro. You get me? Literally, bro. Stop finding silly excuses, bro. Look at what price is telling you and see if you get a trade or not. Simple as that. I'm looking to sell, but I want to see price come back up into this supply. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Just gonna sit here, let the market do its thing while I finish having my tea. Yeah. XY bearish. Taking this and see. But yeah, we're gonna mm, yeah, gonna start soon. I mean, we already started, so yeah. Bro, it's so hot, bro. Yeah, I have a bearish bias on the day, honestly. We got a sweep. See, it was even before London, or within London, whatever you want to call it. It's not even the only Ivy swept. You sweep this side. Mm-mm. But I start on the daily and see where we at. So I said that I want to see London I get taken out. That's what I said. Does this really make sense? When you look at it, it does, innit? Because, after that sweep, traders, let's go on in 15. So we have a run of Asia I, bro. You get me? We've been trading to the upside. Break test liquidity. There's just the inducement. Break and test traders into right there. I might say that's an entry right there. Break and test. Inducement. Reaction. But this is what man's looking at though, yeah? We got a sweep. H1 sweep right here. We got a reaction. This reaction didn't really lead to anything significant. Nevertheless, we broke above, created new higher highs. And this was the last low that led to that high. You get me? So we came down, made a change of character, and we have the supply above. I want to see price run above this area right here. So I'd want to see something like this. Price coming up all the way into this supply, give a false reaction, and then take out all the sellers from over here. And then I would then look to enter again. You get me? I know it's a miss, but yeah. So again, what do I want to see? I want to see us trade up all the way into this supply to just take out the early sellers and then give a lower time frame confirmation for me to then target Asia low or at least the open to close the day bearish. Will this happen? Maybe, maybe not. You never know. Yeah, it's a bank holiday, so we'll see how it goes. We have a minor inducement. Bro, I don't know what the hell trading view did, bro. This is so annoying. This is a minor inducement. Right side liquidity didn't lead to a mitigation. And yeah, do see this as a build up. Even if you don't induce a supply, bro, I expect some. I think we're gonna take it out, honestly. It's just 20 minutes into the session, so yeah. If you're looking at the XY, what can you see? We have a run below, not the XY, NQ. We run below Asia, not even Asia, but also previous day low got taken out. So Friday's low got taken out. A bullish reaction of the daily high. Right there, high of the day. This being the daily low. The 4 p.m. open and midnight open as well. So let's just find those. 5 p.m. open. Okay. Open. Midnight. Yeah, we have midnight open on the board as well. So with all of this being said, where can the day go for in Q? Let's go on the daily and see what our bias would be. Still having this high to be taken out as target, coming into the demand, expecting having a bullish bias in the day. We filled some of the gap as well. We swept this low. Did we? Yes, see, I think it's safe to say we swept that low, or is it relative equal lows? Maybe an entry would be if we come into this Spray Valley gap, you know? So if we come like around the 50% of this gap, can take an entry on NQ. Because why we displaced lower. London, not much in London. And just around here, just around equilibrium. And then look at something like this. I want the two to take out the daily high. That would be clean, bro. Honestly. We go on funding pips. 700 pips spread. Yeah. Having an entry, Nasdaq. Aiming in Nasdaq. Okay. CFD. But yeah, having an entry like down there would be pretty solid. Following our bias. We'll see how it goes though, innit? Just have GU going up. That's what we want to see. Don't buy. What have we done? Oh, it's breaking structure again, bro. We're just creating liquidity, honestly, bro. Just generating liquidity. Within the Asia range, this would have been the entry, the elite strategy. Maybe an entry right there, but yeah. See what these are here. Nothing. Damn, bro. I haven't even posted anything. Bro, we just play the waiting game. What more can we do? Sit and wait. This is why trading is boring. If you're not sitting and waiting, you're chasing trades and you're gonna burn yourself. But majority of trading is waiting, bro. Don't lie, this would look clean though, innit? So having a run below into the gap after we fill the gap, we have a run above a tap and go kind of entry would be clean. Took previous day liquidity and being that we had the bearish pressure, bro, we have imbalance to be targeted for price to like rebalance. So potentially taking out even this previous day high. On the higher time frame, the trend is what? We are bullish on the higher time frame as well. So yeah, like this trade would be solid, bro. Many pip stop loss? 61 pip stop loss, bro. Just walk this order on, cause why not? So it would be 0.08. Yeah, we're just gonna walk this order on, bro. NQ is go to match trader. And yeah, where do we want to enter? We want to enter at 23 420. That's where we want to enter. This is it's more of a breaker. Like this gap right here is more of a breaker also with 23 359.25. Twenty-three 553. Okay, so yeah, I just set the order in queue. Just set the order in queue. Let's look at it, bro. Yeah, see, bro, the pricing is so different. It's a good thing I checked a while ago. Like this is the gap. This was yeah. So let's say we retest right here, bro. Right there would be ideal. Yeah, I don't like how this looks. This is why I keep getting. This is why I keep getting burned, bro. This thing doesn't show how much man's gonna lose. Okay, there we go now. Yeah, so like entering right there is also it's a breaker block or inverse fair value gap with normal fair value gap. So two fair value gap overlapping. And yeah, you just look for a tap and go from there, innit? Surplus below the low. Yeah, I mean it's decent. Yeah, it's fine. Khalas. You get me? Let's just see how it goes, bro. We have a bullish bias as well. So worst case scenario, you know, it's not even 1% loss. Looking on GU, we are not getting a bullish reaction. So clear as day, we have a break right here. Let's just follow this, bro. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So we have a M1 break. M1 break below. This is the supply. Trader is definitely gonna look to enter from this supply without a shadow of a doubt. You get me? Strong conviction, bro. Trader is gonna enter from this supply. And look, just price is gonna slice through this, bro. So I see this as a smart money trap. You know, all of this buildup of liquidity. I see all of this getting run, tapping into this supply, and even possibly, as I said, inducing the supply and giving me a lower time frame confirmation. That's what I want to see. You know, that's what I want to see. Good morning to who's watching. Thanks for tuning in. You might not even understand trading, bro. Most time, bro, it's just my relatives, bro, and I know they don't understand what I'm doing. You know, but it's just the support. You get me? One day they'll see the reality of it, though. You know, one day, inshallah. But yeah, we're coming into the supply. I do expect this zone to get induced. Smart money trap. Yes, that's what I expect. It's unmitigated, so price is just filling the imbalance. And why smart money trap? Because sellers are gonna enter. The surplus is gonna be where above the high, and they're gonna look to target the low. You know, they're gonna look to target the low. This is clean, but would I take this entry? No, I wouldn't take it. I stopped trading like this. The zone can hold, you get me? Following the lower time frame trend, being that we're bearish and just respecting order flow. But trading for a while, you understand that order flow is also generating liquidity on the opposing side. So, like in this case where we're bearish, we are generating buy side liquidity. You get me? Like we're going down, but there's loads of liquidity above this high, this high, this high. Why? Because all of these highs caused a break. This high caused this break. This high caused this break of this structure. And this high broke this low. So yeah, just gonna watch and see, bro. And see what NQ is doing. Not gonna lie, bro. I like this entry. Not like the entry, but I like the limit itself. I think maybe like 9:30 we're gonna get the volatility in the NQ. You get me? So we'll see how it goes. We'll definitely see how it goes. Swept previous day low, so Friday low swept, and we have the daily high as our target 1 to 2 R. You can't ask for more than that, Yanni. You get me? So 23,376. Is it 60? I think it is 60. Let's see. 0.05. Oh, where is this? Let's see. Yeah, man, like you see, bro, raw, this is mad. On trading view, this is where it is. Yeah, I think that's the wrong one. Let's go Nasdaq, bro. This is the right one. Yeah. So let's take off that and let's go on Nas. Shift D. Yeah. Yes. So this is the right one. And you see, it's a little bit different. Looks the same, but it's kind of different. Let's see. So we have previous day low being swept. We have daily high right here, high for the day. Previous low swept and created the low of the day. So we have the daily low. Where did we open? Let's just find the 5 p.m. open on this thing. It's right here, yeah. So we opened right there, daily open. And let's find the midnight open. These kind of close. It's a bearish candle, so right there. Midnight open. Midnight open. Okay. Yeah, this is how we look in chat. Well, my sister calls that. And yeah, we have the Fair Valley Gap. So my take is that we have two Fair Valley Gap, bro. We have the first one is right here. This is the first one. And it's an inverse Fair Valley Gap. You get me? It's not filled, but we're gonna use filled. You get me? So inverse Fair Valley Gap. Bro, I don't know why, bro, trading view, I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, bro, look at this. Let's just put it right here, man. Inverse Fair Valley Gap. And then not only that, we have the normal one, which is gonna be from this candle's high. Bro, like this is so annoying to that candle low. So we have two fair value gap overlapping, bro. And let's just label this one normal fair value gap. So we have an inverse and we have a normal one. Both of them overlapping. Both of them below the midnight open. Both below the daily open. You can't ask for more than that. Bullish buys on the day. Looking to go long. You can't ask for more than that, bro. 23,376.05. Let's just find the entry. Yeah, I think this is the right one. So yeah, stop loss is gonna be 23,319.46. 319.46. We have the TP 23,553. Khalas. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's actually I want to say it's mad. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to change the risk on this trade then. I'm just gonna cancel the order and make a new one. 0.05, let's see. 23,371. 23,376, I should say. Is that the right place? Yes, it's at the right place, bro. And then the stop loss would be 23,319.5. Okay, okay. Now I see what's going on. I think I think yeah, the spread is like $80 in it, so I don't even know. 23,313.60. This is how it would look. Losing $50, that's how it would look. And the target would just be 412, 23,506.1. Simple. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, so we just made a new position right there, as you lot can see. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that for now. And let's just go back to GU. That looks like did like the sales got target? Not as yet. Sales still not tagged, but we watch it, bro. Yeah, we watch and see what happen. Bro, like there's no analysis right here. What's going on? I don't know what's going on, bro. Yeah, we're just gonna watch, leave it at this, and yeah. So give me a second. I will be back. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, so we are here, guys. Sorry about that. Clearly now, early sellers got tagged in. Let's just see how price reacts in it. Let's see how price reacts, bro. I am convinced these guys are gonna get taken out. Some of them probably got taken out as well. You get me? See, literally stop loss rated from those guys who entered right here. So just yeah, smart money trap, Yanni. Yeah, let's put it in red, bro. Let's just take this off because we know traders was gonna get taken out right there. We are having just looking at the this zone above, bro. That's where I want to see price come all the way to. Honestly, will we get there? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, that's where I want to see price go. Volatility kicking in on NQ, so let's watch out for that as well. And yeah, trying to see. Don't have any news, bro, as we said. So this daily profile look clean, though. I'm not gonna lie. Where's the manipulation? Maybe running a low, mainly running below this previous day low is the manipulation. And now I'm expecting the distribution to fill the gap and go. We already accumulate orders, selling off all the way during Asia. Traders probably think we're bearish with the break of structure right here. So this supply, I do see this supply failing. Yes, I do see this supply failing. So let's just mark it as a potential smart money trap. Why do I see it failing? Because we got the break of structure. It can hold in it, but at the same time, based off my bias being bullish, I want to see this area getting induced. So we do have a potential smart money trap. Taking out the early sellers or sellers will probably see this as a break of structure and looking to sell from the supply. Definitely orders there. So let's see how it goes. Without a shadow of a doubt, bro. And yeah, no, looking at this one, we broke, we induced this high as well. So we have another inducement, bro. I see all of them getting induced. All of them getting induced, bro. You get me? So it's just wait, bro. Play the waiting game. If it doesn't happen, then it's no trade. That's just how it is. Bro, I don't really use this AI shit, bro. What's going on? Let's see if anyone entered. See what's going on in the Discord. Which pair is this, bro? I don't even know which pair is this. Don't know which pair is that, so yeah, leave that alone. This guy's looking at EU. This guy, bro. Which time frame? M5. What time is this? It's at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. He was buying right there, bro. Yeah, he got stopped out for sure. Did he? He was buying like where? Like right here. Why? I don't understand that entry. It's GU and Owanda. He says there's a sweep. There's a sweep. Like, yeah, we broke out of Asia and then a sweep below. Let me see. Broke Asia. Sweep. This is his entry. Maybe that's his entry. It's not bad. Yeah. Like, entry is not bad, but yeah. It's way off, bro. This is where we are right now, bro. You have guys selling EU. So they're gonna get burned. I know they're gonna wanna sell from the supply. They're gonna get burned, bro. Just ending the stream at 8:05, honestly. Not 8:05, 8:30. It's now 8:05. So yeah, end it right there. Bullish DXY, NAS going up. Will we get the sweep below a NASDAQ? Don't know, bro. But not gonna force it. If we don't get it, delete the order. It is what it is. Just delete that. You get me? But yeah, GU getting closer now, closer and closer as you can see, price coming up. The bullish volatility. We just wait, bro, because I know this area, we're gonna have a reaction from the area. It's either the area is gonna hold, or it's either we're gonna just slice through and then give a lower time frame confirmation. Hopefully. So it's either they can get a build up, change, retest somewhere here to go lower, or my variation I want to see inducing the area, creating a low change to go lower. But of course, we'd have to do that. And on the flip side, this is what we can have. Price coming into the area, giving a change, giving a reaction, taking those traders out to break, test, and then continue higher. But let's watch, bro. Let's just watch live because price is now at the point of interest. So let's see which variation is gonna play out. Will we hold? Will we induce, then go lower? Or will we break, test, and continue along? Worst case scenario, I don't want to see that. As I can see, I have this as my target, so I do want to see the high getting taken. Let's just mark the supply because you're already in the area. So yeah, let's mark it as a M1 supply. 1 minute supply. Smart money trap for me. Let's see what happened, bro. So now this is what we have. See, we're getting a reaction from the area. This is it, bro. Sellers entering right there. Look to target this low. And it's still a clean entry. But I want to see the liquidity being taken from there to then go lower. It's clean, like don't get me wrong, it's clean, bro. But let's see. Based off my entry model, I want to see just a final sweep just to take them out. Do we have to sweep it? No, we don't have to sweep it. Why? Because we've already taken all this liquidity and this is now the mitigation. Remember, this is the high of the day. You get me? So I know that we can just react from the area, honestly. But let's see, bro. Getting a false reaction. Let's see what happens. Getting a bit of FOMO, bro. I don't want to miss the trade, but I'm gonna stick to my bias, my plan. I want to see a sweep. If we get a sweep, then I can look for lower time frame confirmation after that. But yeah, man, this is clean. If I was trading the way I used to trade, I would have been in this trade, and this would be my target 1 to 10 to target what? To target the daily open. And it will be just in line with the bearish bias that I have. Because if we take this out, we close below. That's why I want to see. How many pip stops? 3 pip stop, bro. It's not too shabby in it. A 4 pip is more ideal. But bro, I know, like these. I just have the feeling that the market is just gonna dip, bro. Just dip it up, man, innit? Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens, bro. Let's just see, wait and see what happens. It's not like last week where I took a trade on Thursday, made 2%, and gave it all back on Friday. So pretty much a break even day. Not gonna do that again. You get me? Not gonna do that again, bro. So yeah, we have like, see, we are getting a bullish reaction, guys. So we have 20 minutes to see what's gonna happen. Before I end the stream, will we get the entry on the stream? Maybe, maybe not. You never know, bro. Have we induced the area? I think we just induced it. Yes. So yeah, we induced the supply zone, which I wanted to see. So supply being taken, and yeah, let's now just wait. I just want to see a change for me to enter. And yes, we are gonna enter, bro. Bro, you see, bro, guys talking about bank holiday, bro. Look at these volatility, bro. Like, are you mad, fam? It's time to lock in. Let's wait and see, bro. Maybe like 8:30, we're gonna see the volatility on the Nasdaq. Let me ask ChatGPT what time it's open. Hey, morning, bro. What time does the Nasdaq market open in the US? Okay, so if my time zone is -5 UTC, what time will it open for me? But it's now 8:13 for me. Is it the same time in New York now, or New York is 9:13 there? What time is it in New York? Exactly. That's what I'm saying, bro. So why are you telling me that we're in the same time zone? How will it open at 9:30 my time if it opens at 9:30 New York and I'm an hour behind? Doesn't make sense. Bro, this geezer, man. Bro, this chat GPT guy, bro. It's what I'm talking about, man. Okay, bro. Thank you. Bro, this chat GPT guy don't know what he's talking about. Literally, bro. The guy don't know what he's saying. You get me? So yeah, for me, 8:30 open is gonna be the start for the Nasdaq, innit? So yeah, bro, talking about that, we're on the same time zone. Mad. This geezer, bro, I'm telling you. But yes, all right. So we have the volatility in the market now. Let's just wait and see. We might just have a bullish day in it, like being that we open down here. Where are we? We're running another previous day high. So let's just mark this. Let's just go on the H1. It's a supply, it's also a previous day high. So yeah, we are gonna mark it. Bro, I don't know what the hell trading view did, but I hate this. I swear. Swear, bro. Wallahi. Okay, so yeah, we took London Eye as I wanted to see. So you can now take this off. We have the previous day high now being ran. We're getting a reaction. We have like 14 minutes before the stream ends. And yeah, so now just wait. So now, so what do I see based off the way I'm looking at it? Accumulation, all of this accumulation, you get me? London being bullish, creating new highs, being New York, manipulation, manipulation, sweeping this high, sweeping previous day high, sweeping London high, and now I expect a distribution to close the day lower. So will we get it? Maybe, maybe not. We'll wait and see if we will get what we want to see. All the sellers have been taken out, so yeah, let's see if you have guys entering in the Discord, bro. Mashallah. The sell was sick. What the hell would you sold right there? It's crazy. Let's see what's going on funding pips, bro. Announcement. giving away account, this and that. Bro, TikTok, everyone talking about TikTok, bro. Like, TikTok is dead, fam. TikTok is dead, bro. Wallahi, bro. TikTok is dead. Like, I might just go on it to build like like a following. So then channel them to YouTube. But besides that, bro, like, there's no point. I think the entry is coming up. Like, looking at this, we're gonna get an entry on the live as we speak. This is a change of character, by the way. Just to clarify it for you guys. Bro, I hate this. Here the close is mad. M1 change of character. Don't even have to label it. But it's a shift. Look at the M3. There's the bearish candle. This is where I messed up Friday. We didn't have this when I entered. So if you go back to the previous day, which is Friday, where I entered, we didn't have this shift. Let's find it. Oh, I deleted everything. But yeah, I entered somewhere right here, but there was no shift. Yeah, don't know why this thing is moving like a creep, bro. 9 minutes to go. Let's see what will happen. The way we closed, it's a wick, so it's kinda, yeah, it's kinda if you can't enter from it because there's no imbalance. So we just have to wait on the imbalance now. You get me? So if you break this one, if we close below this so, and we have a fair value gap within here and how this M1 candle is gonna close, then we're gonna look to enter right here. Stop loss is gonna be above for like 4 pips just to be safe, because I don't wanna be too tight with my stop loss. I want to four, maybe I want to four, honestly, maybe. Something like this. 4 pip stops as you wish. And yeah. So you just have to wait to see if you're gonna close right here. And we did. Okay, so we did close there. So my entry is gonna be here. This is the fair value gap. And yeah, we're gonna enter live. This is where we're gonna enter. That's where we're gonna enter. 4 pip stop loss or 5. And let's just place the limit right now. We'll place the limit right now as we speak. I'm using my phone, so yeah. GU pending 1.0. Price is gonna be what? 35,413, 431. Stop loss is gonna be 35,437, 473. And take profit is gonna be 35,271. 5 pips stop. Okay, so yes, we placed the limit. Ending the stream soon. We placed the sell limit there. Let's see if it will get tagged and whatnot, bro. This is the thing with these firms, right? There's no imbalance right here, bro. You see, there's no imbalance. But if you go on forex.com, you have the change, shift, gap right there. But we want to see get filled. We're coming up. Is my stop loss too tight? I don't think it is. 35,271. So 1 to 3. 1 to 4 is 35,256. Five two three one. Yeah, like the pricing is a bit off, bro. 231. This is where the 1 to 4 is. It's almost a 1 to 5. Small limit, but yeah, we just see how it goes. So yeah, we fill this gap and we're now selling off. I'm just gonna hold it, bro. It's either gonna be getting tagged or not. Yeah. The Nasdaq is opening soon. 8:30 open is coming. GU now selling off. I'm not in the trade. Yeah, not in the trade as yet. The Frugal gap is right here, guys. Clear as the gap. It's not the best, like most traders might not look into like the intricate like this, but that's the one I'm going with. I can choose this one, but this is the one I'm going with. I rather that one. We're selling off. Why? Because we respected this one and we still have one there. So just gonna hold, bro. So a catalyst, so we can have this as a buildup of liquidity. This being a buildup that we want to see get sweep, build up above. So you sweep that into my mitigation, that would be brilliant. So yeah, and yeah, 829. I'm gonna leave it right here. We have both orders, one on GU, looking to go short 1 to 4 target, and then the second one is on NASDAQ. So we will see how these goes. And yeah, I will keep you guys posted on these trades. And that is it. Your boy JB. Thanks so you lot for tuning in. And I will catch you lot in the next one. Peace.